The talkative one, Sharky. Up on your bench, mate? Coming up on your bench? Come on. Good boy. Breakfast? Oh. I love you. I love you. Yeah, you're welcome. You don't have to be jumpy today. Up here. Is that right? Is that any better? That settle the nerves? And the pidgeys are having a feed below. So they're doing some work across the street. That won't upset you, will it? Probably not. Because you got wings of steel, you can fly high. And not distress about any of this carrying on. Oh, you're a beautiful boy. What do you keep dropping them for? How about I just put them here so you don't stress, Sharky? Does that help? Come on. Come on. Sharky. Good boy. Come on, Sharky. Is that better? That's better, isn't it? Little wild boy you are. Right, I'll leave you with it. Have a great day. Love you very much. Enjoy yourselves.